There's a place at the bottom of the world, Antarctica. A land of extremes. It's one of the last true wildernesses on Earth. But is it just ice and snow? Or is it hiding something? For decades, theories have swirled, painting Antarctica as a place of profound mystery. It's called the Forbidden Continent, sparking questions about what's being kept from us. Access is tightly controlled, shrouded in international agreements and scientific protocols. Every satellite image, every redacted document becomes a potential clue. A landmass 1.5 times the size of the US, mostly unknown, buried under miles of ice, the perfect place to hide something. Lost civilizations, alien craft, hidden histories here. The line between fact and fiction blurs. Antarctica dares us to uncover the truth locked away at the end of the Earth. The real question, are we ready to find out? To understand the mystery, you have to understand the place. Antarctica is a vast, alien landscape, coldest, driest, and windiest on Earth. Katabatic winds sculpt the ice into bizarre shapes, creating a mesmerizing, treacherous terrain. The Antarctic ice sheet covers 98% of the continent, nearly 3 miles thick, in places holding 70% of the world's fresh water. It's a frozen archive, preserving millions of years of Earth's history. Life clings to the edges, penguins, seals, orcas, but inland it's a polar desert. The emptiness is intimidating and compelling, a blank canvas where any discovery feels monumental. Surviving here means confronting overwhelming isolation and danger. The continent itself is the ultimate gatekeeper, defending its secrets. Only the most prepared can venture into its heartland. Every expedition is a battle against the elements. Antarctica demands respect and keeps its mysteries close. Who gets to go to this forbidden land? The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, set the continent aside for science and banned military activity, but it also created a system where a select group of nations controls all access and research. Dozens of research stations dot the ice, isolated outposts of humanity. Officially, they study climate, geology, and astronomy, but secrecy fuels speculation. Are they just studying ice cores, or is there a hidden agenda? Tourist visits are limited and heavily regulated. Independent expeditions are nearly impossible. The narrative of Antarctica is shaped by those in control. Governments and scientific institutions. They decide what gets published and what remains classified. The treaty, meant to promote peace, has also created a veil of secrecy. For every scientific paper, there's a rumor of a discovery quickly covered up. If a world-changing secret was found beneath the ice, would we ever know? Long before modern exploration, Antarctica appeared on ancient maps with uncanny accuracy. The Piri Reis map from 1513 seems to show Antarctica's coast, ice-free, centuries before science confirmed what lay beneath. This fuels legends of a lost civilization, a real-life Atlantis buried under the ice. Some suggest Earth's crust shifted, flash freezing a once temperate land. Ancient myths speak of a great southern land, a paradise lost. World War II brought more intrigue. Nazi expeditions, rumors of secret bases, and tales of ancient technology. These stories tap into the idea that Antarctica is the missing piece of our history. Could the ice hide ruins older than Egypt? The clues are tantalizing. The whispers from the past hint at wonders waiting beneath the ice. While lost cities remain legend, real discoveries in Antarctica are just as mind-blowing. Ice cores reveal climate data going back 800,000 years, and traces of ancient life. Fossilized pollen and spores show Antarctica was once a lush, green continent. Paleontologists have found dinosaur bones and ancient mammals, proof of a thriving ecosystem. Antarctica is also the world's best meteorite hunting ground, space rocks from Mars and the Moon preserved in the ice. Huge lakes of liquid water like Lake Vostok lie buried miles beneath the surface, isolated for millions of years. Could they harbor unique life forms evolved in total darkness? Each new discovery peels back another layer of mystery. If we could see beneath the ice, what would we find? Geology or the answers to our oldest legends? For now, Antarctica keeps its secrets, daring us to keep searching.